Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve on Linux. First, ensure your system meets the requirements, typically needing at least 16 gigabytes of RAM and a dedicated graphics card with 8 gigabytes of RAM for smooth performance. Next, download the free version from Blackmagic Design's official website. Once downloaded, extract the archive and run the installer script, following the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. This will get you started quickly. After launching DaVinci Resolve, begin by creating a new project and naming it appropriately. You can then set your project preferences, such as frame rate and resolution, which are often 24 or 30 frames per second for standard video. Navigate through the main workspace pages like Media, Edit, and Color. To import your footage, simply drag and drop files from your system's file manager directly into the media pool, preparing them for editing. On the Edit page, you can start assembling your video. Use the razor tool to make precise cuts and the trim tool to adjust clip durations. Drag and drop clips onto the timeline to arrange them in sequence. Enhance your video by adding transitions between clips, applying titles from the effects library, and incorporating visual effects. Remember to utilize keyboard shortcuts, like B for blade mode, to significantly speed up your editing workflow. For professional-looking visuals, head to the Color page. Here, you can perform color correction and grading using powerful tools like color wheels and curves. Utilize nodes to build complex grading structures and scopes, such as the waveform monitor, to ensure accurate color representation. Once your video is polished, switch to the Deliver page. Choose your desired export format, like MP4, and resolution, such as 1920 by 1080 pixels, then render your final masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.